Hi, in this video, we're going to be going over how to become an online notary in the state of New Mexico. So at BlueNotary, we've got a simple step-by-step guide that's going to take you through the process of how to do this. It's available as a link in the description of this video below. And if you click this link, it's going to bring you right to this page where you can scroll down and see the full step-by-step guide. So let's go through this together here just to make sure there's not any confusion. Step number one is you need to be a commissioned New Mexico notary public or a non-commissional notarial officer. Simple enough. Step number two is you need to complete and pass the Remote Online Notary Education course and exam. We've got a link to this right here. Step number three is you're going to submit the Remote Online Notary application along with the filing fee, which is $75, and the course certificate from the course you just took before to the state of New Mexico. So if you click this Remote Online Notary application link, it's going to bring up the application itself. It's a relatively simple application. You're going to need to enter what remote online notarization platforms you are going to be using. Our recommendation is to use BlueNotary.us, the best online notarization platform for notaries and businesses. Step number four, once you're approved, you're going to need to obtain an e-seal and stamp. You can do this for free on the BlueNotary platform. If you click this link right here, it's going to bring you to a guide on how to obtain a form that has your e-seal, e-signature, as well as your encrypted digital certificate inside a sample document. Then you're able to submit your e-seal along with the stamp registration form. This needs to be submitted within 45 days of your application approval. So this is what your stamp education form looks like. It's, again, a relatively simple form. You're able to fill out this form actually within BlueNotary's session simulator, and you can place your electronic stamp right here. You're going to email this form to sos.notarypublic@state.nm.us, and as soon as you get confirmation that as soon as you have word that this stamp registration form has been accepted, you are officially authorized to perform RON in New Mexico on your approved RON platform. So if you found this guide helpful, please follow along, like, and subscribe. We've got plenty more useful tips for you on online notarization.
Are you interested in getting a feel for what an online notarization session would feel like before going through the approval process? You can open up a free account at app.bluenotary.us/business/register. We've left a link in the description on how you can make a free account and left you with a video tutorial of every feature on the platform. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out through the customer support chat in the bottom right-hand corner, and we'll do our best to get you pointed in the right direction. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your notary journey.